Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2016 Buick Envision Premium all-wheel drive, stock number X393XX. 28,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bronze alloy metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Rear outboard seats are also heated. It's a very safe vehicle with van safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. All help to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily with the pull of a handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, height adjustable power liftgate, power seats along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that put you in a perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy-to-read gauges. Cruise control. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel-mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Envision, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.